You know, a lot of times, if your guys ever struggle for designs, just turn your building into L shapes, and that'll take care of that problem for you. We really don't need that blue thing there. Oh yeah, that's gonna work much better. I can't see where the wire comes in, but that's okay. We can fix that right now. We've spent this entire time just working on this building right here. You need... How about... There. Should be able to attach to that and be able to put all this back together. Okay. Ah! Fell behind. Yeah, I could get to that. Cool. Alright. So we can now pull these back out, because with these, I really don't like having things just hang out in there like that. Otherwise, it ends up just being a pain. We do that, and then snap you up. What'd you do yesterday? What did you get done, or what kind of trouble did you get into? Let's because we all know that we all cause. We're in Satisfactory community. We all cause a variety of trouble. I think if I remember right, because you've been in here before, right? You've been busy, I think, on a factory for a little bit. But yeah, work on a substantial build in Satisfactory, and you wrapped it up. That would be cool. Hopefully I am on the right path there. Where are you? You are here. Oh. How much power are you making now? Like that tells me, building cannot be nudged, but I can nudge it sometimes and not others. Thank you, game. By themselves? Do they make that much? 10 times what they make? 5,000? And then 10% on top of that? Something like that? The math on that is weird to me. I don't know why they did it the way they did it. Wow. It's crazy, dude. I actually kind of thought about that. Actually, of being able to do that. We need you all default. And then we need you. We do that one, not like that. That should be good and covering. Yeah, that's, as I said, I only have 2 up, and the amount that they boost is crazy. They're a great addition to the game. I'm glad that they have a unique and useful purpose, too. I really like the extra overclock piece that they do. I like just the options that you have. I haven't looked at it too close. I've seen bits and pieces of it through, you know, just a variety of... I apparently didn't build that in the right spot. Give me just a second here. just by what people have said, I'm kind of not spoiling it for myself. I want to be surprised when I get to that. Right? That's kind of like my goal. I want to be surprised by the in-game. So I'm kind of taking my time too. Not that I don't take my time when I play this game, because I do. What I'm trying to do is just enjoy it, right? So, and I know there's a lot of cool stuff. I can't wait. One thing that we're toying with, some of us are toying with doing a multiplayer, like, type playthrough. But as I've talked about to Skash, if you ever watch City Skylines content on YouTube, there's a Zardis started a 5B1C challenge, which is 5 builders, 1 city. I've kind of thought about toying with an idea like that for Satisfactory as well, where you could do that type of content. But how do you handle it, and you know, what phase do you start on and all of that? So I'm still toying with that idea. Okay, well, we have a roof. Except for over here. But yeah, I'm kind of trying to think of just something cool that, you know, that we could do as a community to be able to showcase people's builds. What I really do need to do right now, though, is I need... Good. I am... Nope. So that's kind of one thing that I've been toying with this idea for a little bit. I just haven't really come up with a real solid idea on it yet. I really just want the light here. That makes sense. But if you've ever seen that particular piece of content, I think it would lend itself to being something very interesting to do. We're gonna pull the roof back here real quick. I need to blueprint the lights. Really bad. Actually, I might be able to get it where it sits on the edge really nice. In math numbers, standard integer, yeah, it's gonna be 100% is 1.00. I already do that one? Yes, I did. Do I really like how that's run? No. It's all just decimals. Can we? Okay. That's kind of what I was worried about. We need to do this as a temporary measure. Yeah. I'm gonna have to pull this. Pull you. Delete you. You should be able to do... Just remember that it's not compounding interest, though. That's what makes it kind of hard to think about it, in my brain, to wrap it around. If I want to take this, I could undo that. Okay. This is like the trickiest one. Okay. Now that we have our lights, I think the next stream we're probably going to do some detail work. Not detail work, but actually some new build stuff, and then start to split the detail builds up with in between. Okay. So, what we want to do here... I wish this you could light up. I want to bring you down to 10, and I want you on. Why are you on? You should not be on right now. Which tells me this is not working. It's backwards, I think. Yep. Good job, Assember. Oh, I forgot to turn it back on. Oh, there. That's better. Okay. We've got it put back together again. That took a second. And that's important late game, because all of those buildings take absolutely a boatload of power. That I do know. Well, just knowing what the whatchamacallit building, I can't remember what it's called, that you make pasta in and make plutonium pellets in. That my brain is blanking on real hard right now. Which happens a lot. Alright, now that we have the lights in this, we're close to being done with it. Yes. Not the super oscillator, it's the, you unlock it in, Phase 8, or, Tier 8. You make the pasta in it. Is it the... It's a... Yeah. No, I was talking about the building you make nuclear pasta in, and I can't remember what it's called. Loops. I can't remember. My brain is just not thinking of it. I like the light. It's subtle in here. I need to do a door over here. Maybe we do something with that. Okay. Yeah, I can picture it. I just can't remember what it's called in game. Particle accelerator, there you go. My brain, you know how it is? You know what it is, you can see it, you can talk about it, yeah. Yeah, it's particle accelerator. Perfect.
Trigger_happy_Aussie is now following.
Thank you for the follow. Trigger Happy. What a great name. Appreciate it. Appreciate the follow. Hope you are well this evening. Hope the world is finding you well. This is where I really wish that we had walls that would fit in here. However, there are ways around that. So what we'll just do... we'll do this. That works. Oh, happy with that. It looks pretty dang good. Really happy with that sign. I really like how that looks. All right, let me do this. I want to do that. Are you on the line? You are. I want... Welcome in. I appreciate you stopping by, man. Thank you so much for the follow. Greatly appreciated. The brain is saying, this is what we do. Do that. That way I can grab this. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're just... Honestly, this is one of those things I could probably do off stream. But I do like to show my thought and design process when we put buildings together. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall. What I don't want is you. Can you? There. That is kind of what I'm after. Yeah, this is kind of... This is what we're called Building 6 on the site. This makes compacted coal and heavy oil residue. That is complex over there is known as Building 7, and 7A is over there. That is Building 2. That's Building 1. Building 3 is over there. Building 4 you can't see because it's the power plant. Yeah, so all the buildings are being in order built, have a number assigned to them, and they will have numbers in a variety of places. So in here on this build, when you come into this Building 6, and then the only other place I have it numbered right now is over here. So the train network, this is all blueprintable. It's modular. So right now I've got Building 6 labeled over here as well. Although the signage here will probably change a little bit. The turbo fuel power plant over there. But today what we're currently working on is just the control room for power switches for this build right here. For Building 6. I've got one for Building 7 as well. I just don't have it there yet. So yeah, if you like design ideas, man, it's all good. If you've got design ideas or input, I'm always willing for that. Or if you're really good at catching things that I miss, I'm always up for things like that too. We know you Gonna be 3. Yeah, I could, if you want, I'll give you a quick tour here in just a minute. Let me get through what I'm currently working on. I'm actually pretty happy with how this is coming. This build here is coming together really nice. I'm liking this is a lessons learned from a lot of different builds over the years. So this is kind of one of those. Come on. You're not going to go all the way down for me? No, you're going to be stubborn. Yes. Yes, you are. You're going to be stubborn today. Alright, I'm going to pull that. We're going to grab... Yeah, my builds could sometimes be a little chaotic. I have a very industrial type build, so if you're into that, yeah, this is your place. I think this needs to be 3 meters. Yeah. Sometimes it takes a little bit to fight these guys to get them in play. There we go. Okay. I am pretty happy with this. I like the darkness under here. I like the amount of light we have in here. The only thing I think I want to do is seal this seam up with something. And if you know what I'm thinking, then you know what I am thinking. Can we get this where... Where's the center point of the window? It's there. Can I get you where you'll...